Are you thinking about purchasing a home or other piece of real estate? If so, a real estate agent can help you navigate the process, but you must be aware of the real estate agent's obligations to buyers before you contact an agent. So today, we'll discuss what are the real estate agent duties to potential buyers. When assisting you in purchasing a home, a real estate agent's duties include acting in your best interest, gathering information about neighborhoods and homes, negotiating an offer, and guiding you through the entire process until you receive the keys to your new home. Although different real estate brokers could have various procedures and systems, you should anticipate your realtor to assist you with the following. The key to your success is knowing how to obtain a mortgage. A reliable realtor has a wide network of other real estate agents, lenders, and experts in the purchasing and selling of homes. Your real estate agent ought to be able to put you in touch with a reputable mortgage lender who will guide you through the pre-approval procedure so you can start looking for a home. To know how much you can spend, you want to get pre-approved. Even in the best of circumstances, looking for a home is a demanding process that calls for compromises between your ideal home and what is actually available and within your budget. Your realtor's primary responsibility is to assist you in identifying the features you value the most and locating possibilities that, to the greatest extent feasible, satisfy your needs. The top real estate brokers will advise you on location, area, schools, and other aspects. Your realtor should assist you in identifying the ideal areas for you to consider based on your goals, such as the kind of community you want, the school systems you want to be a part of, etc. Buyers who see a real estate agent as nothing more than a fancy taxi driver are actually losing out on all the advantages of a good buyer's agent should offer. A skilled buyer's agent will be able to negotiate the best price for your home purchase, which is one of the major benefits, because the most skilled negotiators are aware of the worth of the item they're trying to acquire or sell. They should provide you with advice regarding your initial offer and what to do after the seller answers. They have to be skilled negotiators that can get you the finest deal on the house of your dreams. Additionally, the realtor needs to be well versed in the elements that influence a home's worth. Some inspectors are more competent than others, just like real estate agents. Your realtor ought to be familiar with the top home inspectors in the region and be able to assist you in selecting one who will be able to give you the best information on any house you're thinking about purchasing. Even the most competent inspectors might make mistakes and fail to communicate the facts that they uncover to you as a buyer appropriately. Your buyer's agent should attend the house inspection to hear the inspector's findings in detail. When the house inspection is complete and you receive the inspector's report, a good realtor will give you advice on what needs to be addressed to the seller's attention. It's challenging to grasp and discuss the concerns if your agent is not there. You may have negotiating power thanks to the information you learned from the house inspection. Based on the information from the house inspection, you can ask for repairs and demanding on the issues discovered during the inspection. You may also be able to negotiate a lower price or other seller concessions. The ideal person to negotiate for these problems is your realtor, because they're the most informed about how each defect affects the value of the house. Again, the agent will act as your negotiator to make sure the seller takes care of any major issues. This can take the form of a repair, price decrease, or a closing day credit. A property acquisition can only be successful if all parties are on the same page. Everyone will be informed, including the seller's agents and your real estate lawyer, by your real estate agent. The agent is the most qualified person for the job because they understand how to gauge the value of information. Exceptional buyer agents constantly keep an eye on the buyer's mortgage obligation. The best agents additionally make sure that buyers are aware that they must preserve their current credit status. Particularly among first-time homebuyers, mortgage errors can be extremely common. Based on the information provided to the lender when the pre-approval request was made, the pre-approval you received for your home purchase is precarious. Any alterations to your financial condition could prevent you from being approved for the loan or limit the amount of credit you are eligible for. Your real estate agent should keep track of your loan's progress and give you advice on how to safeguard your approval. To ultimately own your property, you just need to get through the closing. Yet, a closing involves a surprisingly large number of particulars that must be all resolved before you can claim ownership. The closing could be canceled if you don't take care of everything. A professional agent will tie up all the loose ends to ensure a smooth closing and will be there with you through the entire process to provide assistance and guidance as needed. Let us know what you think about these duties in the comments section below.